What's up guys, Dave here, back again with another episode of Tech Unraveled, and today we're not looking at one earbud, no, we're looking at two. I have the Edifier X3 and the TWS NB2. So you know what we got to do, right? We gotta get these boxes popped. We gotta explore their contents. Then we're gonna do an audio test and a mic test. But before we get started, I wanna remind you guys there's an ongoing giveaway happening right now on the channel. And I don't want you to miss your opportunity to win. That would make me feel terrible if you guys missed. I want everybody to have a chance. Down in the description, there's a link. It's gonna tell you how you can win. Click that thing. Yeah, let's do this. Let's go right now. Let's open the X3 first. So the case is super tiny. I love that. I don't love micro USB. We're a couple months away from 2021. Come on. USB-C, all things. Let's check out these things. There we go. These are very light, guys. Can you see that? They're very small, very compact. Now let's see how they go in the case. Got a one. Nope, other side. Are these marked? Do they have a marked R and L? Not that I see. So these are in the case. Got a couple extra ear tips here. You have your A to micro cable and your get started guide. We don't need that. Let's make sure we got the right size tips. All right, let's take this one out. Let's see. How does it feel? Guys, these are remarkably light. That feels good in my right ear. Maybe it's moving around a little. When I do that, I can feel the earbud moving slowly out my ear. Let's change out the tips. That's better. And they do create a really nice seal in my ear. I think we're good there. What I am gonna do, just in case there's not a charge on it while we're opening up the other ones, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get these suckers charging. And let's go into the TWS NB2. It seems to have a little bit nicer unboxing experience. The materials feel a little bit higher quality, but we're gonna be able to get it out of the box. I will win. Ooh. All right, let's see what we got. In here, we have a nice cloth carrying case, C to A cable, some extra tips, get started, and warranty guides. Let's go to the main course here, fellas and ladies. You like that? You like how I lowered my voice when I said that? I know you did. USB-C, as we already knew because I had the USB-C cable out. Now, this case feels like fake leather, which is okay. It's nice. Very light also. These are very cool and interesting looking. Check that out, guys. Definitely different. More heft to them. Let's see how these feel initially. I think those are good right out of the box. I'm not gonna mess with the air tips. They also created a very, very nice seal in my ears, and they are labeled, as you can see, R and L. So, let's start with the X3s first, and I'm assuming just taking them out must put them into pairing mode. So pair new device. There they are. Bada boom. Before I start the audio portion of this, I just want to let you know this is not a competition. The X3s are about 25 bucks, as where the TWS NB2s are about 69 bucks. And I'll put links to both of them down in the description. Let's do this. Let's get this music cranked. Here we go. Highs are crisp. Ooh, nice lows. Guys, 25 bucks. These things sound really good. I have to say that I am quite impressed. The highs are very clear, very crispy. The mids, not so much mids there. It goes right into the bass, and the bass is nice. The whole sound spectrum sounds pretty decent. I don't know how much you can expect for $25, but I am impressed. I'm very impressed. Let's pop in the NB2s. Let's see how they do. Get these paired up. That was easy. They are paired. Start the same song. Let's get cranked. Let's get hyped. Let's go. Highs are crispy. Oh, okay. Edifier is on fire. All right, the X3s had excellent highs. I didn't really feel or hear any mids. And the bass was good. It was a very compelling offer for 25 bucks. The NB2 is a different story. The highs are crisp, yet again. The mids are milky smooth, and the bass is quite nice. These things are hot. I'm impressed. But you know what will make me even more impressed? Is if the mic works. If the mic is solid, if the mic is clear, and that's where I need your help. You're gonna let me know everything in the comments. So let's get started on the mic portion of the test. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Edifier X3 earbuds. Okay, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Edifier TWS NB2. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the Edifier X3 wireless earbuds. This is the sound of my voice with the Edifier TWS NB2. Which one sounds better? Which one do you want? Let me know down in the comments below. All right, guys, so that is what I have for you today. Don't forget about the contest that's currently going on this channel right now. All that information is down in the description below. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. Peace. I'll talk to you in the next one. Blah, blah.